Parrot OS 6.3 is here, faster, more secure, and packed with new features. Parrot OS 6.3 is out now. Get ready for a faster, more stable, and even more secure experience with the latest version of this powerful, security focused Linux distribution. Whether you are a penetration tester, developer, or a privacy enthusiast, Parrot 6.3 has something for you. How to get it? Head over to the official Parrot OS website and download the latest ISO. And remember, always use the official links to avoid compromised third-party sources. Prefer torrents? No problem. Parrot OS provides torrent files for easier downloads, especially if you're dealing with network restrictions. Now, upgrading from an older version. It's simple. Just run sudo parrot-upgrade or sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade. Got GPG keyring issue? Be sure to update them before proceeding. And while upgrading works, a fresh installation is recommended for the best performance and stability. Now, let's talk about what's new in Parrot 6.3. This release brings major package upgrades, including Linux kernel 6.11.5 for better hardware support and security, Metasploit 6.4.43, SQLMap 1.8.12, and the latest Wireshark 4.0.17 for penetration testers. New tools. Parrot 6.3 introduces Caido 0.44.1 and Seclists-lite 2024.4 to enhance your security toolkit. Now, fixed bugs and improved stability, including a fix for the VirtualBox OVA image issue from the last release. Raspberry Pi and website updates. If you're running Parrot on Raspberry Pi, enjoy kernel 6.6.62, bringing improved performance. The Parrot website has also been upgraded with a newer Next.js version and optimized dependencies for a smoother browsing experience. Now, let's talk about the system-wide enhancements. Behind the scenes, Parrot OS 6.3 updates system libraries, essential tools, and security patches. This ensures a safer, more efficient system for both new and experienced users. Now let's talk about the final thoughts. Parrot OS 6.3 is a solid upgrade that fine-tunes performance, security, and usability. Whether you are upgrading or doing a fresh install, this version is packed with improvements that make your experience better than ever. Try Parrot OS 6.3 today. Download it now and explore the latest features. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.